Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how we made this delicious plantain puff puff. Please watch to the end to see how we made this from scratch. I'll be using 2 plantains for this recipe. These are ripe plantains, they are very ripe. So I have 1 large plantain and a smaller one. I'll go ahead and take off the skin. Then I'll add warm water to it and blend until it is smooth. Before I transfer this into the blender, I'll cut them into smaller sizes. Then I'll transfer into the blender, add warm water enough to blend this. Then I'll blend and set it aside. I will now proceed to mix the dry ingredients together. So here I was sifting the flour into the bowl. I will leave the measurement to all the ingredients in the description below. After sifting the flour, I went in with my sugar, powdered milk, nutmeg, salt, and then yeast. I'll mix the dry ingredients together. I went ahead to transfer the plantains that I blended earlier into the dry ingredients, and then I mixed everything together using my hand. Kindly do me a favor by clicking the like button to help promote this video. Thank you. I'll add more water to this and continue mixing until I reach the consistency that I want for the puff puff. And lastly, I added some vanilla essence. This consistency is perfect, so I'll cover this and keep it in a warm place for it to rise for about an hour. This is after an hour, and this is what our dough looks like right now. As we can see, it has risen very well, so it's time for us to fry. Meanwhile, I have some oil heating up, so I'll go ahead and fry this until it is golden brown. After this fries for a while, I'll flip it to the other side and let it continue to fry. I'll keep doing this until it is evenly cooked and golden brown on the outside. And now this is perfect for me. It is cooked. I love the color as well, so I'll take this out of the oil. If you want this to be very brown, you can continue to fry until you get the color that you want. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscription button to subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please do not forget to leave a comment down below and also give this video a like. And here we have our puff puff looking so yummy inside and outside as well. As we can see, this looks so perfect. So please give this recipe a try and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye.